kind of based on the size. How much writing is on here? This guy will be 25.
Okay. Cool. Awesome. Caden with Rare Bird Stereos up in Nevada City, here in San Francisco, selling my Bluetooth stereos that are made from vintage items. I make them from anything from gas cans to canteens, and every piece is unique and different. Yeah, and they're all Bluetooth, and then they have rechargeable batteries too. Yeah.
Like one of the best ones. We just want something simple.
Thanks for your patience. Appreciate it.
So, hey, you need to know what time it is. I'm your guy. Rockin' the Clock. It can be rockingtheclock.com. These are all handmade. Drum clocks, guitar clocks, pick clocks, and now even 8-track tape clocks. So, rockingtheclock.com. If you need to know what time it is, I'm your guy.
Thank you. Wow. How'd you get into this?
I built a music studio. I didn't have a clock, but I had an old drum on the floor and just made a clock out of it.
Oh my God,
10 years
yeah.
ago, and here we are. Who knew?
Bada boom.
It's good. It's spicy though.
Vengo los cicloscopos.
If you want one, they're 7 foot small, 10 foot tall. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Sean. Appreciate it.
Let me show you around my shop. First, on this table, we have air plants. So air plants get their name because in nature, they grow on trees. And so they're in the epiphyte family, and that means they get all of their nutrients through their leaves and as well as their water. On this table, we have my kokedamas. I do hand make these. Kokedama is Japanese for moss ball. It's in the same tradition as the bonsai. So the thought is you kind of have them, the roots bound together, and then they live that way long term. I also make terrariums, and then I have a few succulents here. My whole vibe with my shop, which is Shani's Living Creations. You can find me on Instagram and also a website, shanislivingcreations.com, is all about easy plant care because I want everyone to be a plant parent. I think plant parenthood is incredibly rewarding, and so I try to do my best to make them affordable and really easy for everyone to enjoy.
Everything in between, free books, awesome DJs, man. Vintage sale coming on in.
20 racks of clothing. Hi, San Francisco. How are you? Good to see you. Vintage clothing.
Ok, ya mientras tanto me van a quedar bailando aquí.
are tea roaster. We roast our teas here. We source the tea from Taiwan. It's a high mountain tea. The tea growing high elevations, and we do roasting like this. We have like green tea, high mountain oolong, and those three are house roasted oolong, different roasting and brings out different flavors. And this is black tea. Just like coffee, similar, something like that. The roasted, yeah. You can free to try it out.
You have online or you sell it?
Yeah, we do online, and we just started last year. So we just been doing like farmer markets and online stores, also on social media, and we try to see how people like the teas, like American people, how they will like the teas, like the loose leaf tea, instead of using the tea bags. Yeah.
What's your website?
Our website is just called tearoaster.com. Yeah, tearoaster.com.
Oh my gosh. UDC Festival, you guys ready for a show? Super duper, my friends. Thank you guys so much for being out here today. It is almost that time. I'm sorry, it's gonna get much louder, darling. It's gonna get much louder to blow your mind. Oh my God. It's almost that wonderful time. That's okay, ladies, don't worry. This is a good view, I know it is. But the show's much better from the front, ladies and gentlemen. Where all the young people are, oh my gosh. All the young people, you, little children, are you ready for a show? Make some noise if you are, kids. I said make some noise, kids! Make some noise if you can. San Francisco, please make some noise for the courageous Viva! You gotta go.